Cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to die.
Get over here!
What? You don't know who I am? So you're Outkast. Eastside Crooks coming to invade the South. What up, antics? Baby Outkast. Why you always acting like a baby? Nigga, I'm baby Cast, nigga. What you mean? That explains. I don't mean I'm gonna get off on you, nigga. You won't! Try me. Right now. Right now. Right now. That's what I thought. Oh, the camera's rolling? Okay, we got. That's last time. What up, man? What's up, y'all? Crooks. J Outkast. You already know, man. Shout out to the big homie Rage, Big Cass, Little Street Bull. Bullies. Alright, check this out, man. We coming to Texas. September 13th is the event. Welcome to the Subway Part 2. You feel me? We got Mommy from We Are Heroes. Sub Lady Rage. J Chris from Youngin. Academy of Swag. Young Rage. And Outrage from, you already know, Academy of Villains, man. We out here, man. We running these streets. Crook season, baby. We take everything. Everything.